Hello everyone, today we will talk about the crucial component of a floor scraper, the rubber squeegee. The rubber squeegee is a key accessory in a floor scraper, responsible for scraping off residual water and dirt from the floor. Before use, please ensure that the rubber squeegee is securely installed without any loose or damaged parts. During operation, avoid contact with sharp objects to prevent damage to the squeegee. When you notice wear or aging signs on the floor on the squeegee, replace it promptly to ensure optimal cleaner results. To clean the squeegee, use a softer cloth to wipe it gently, avoiding harsh objects or chemical cleaners. Regularly check the element of squeegee with the floor to ensure it fits tightly and scrapes dirty effectively. When storing your floor scraper, please place it in a dry and ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight and humid environments. Proper use and maintenance of the rubber squeegee can extend the lifespan of your floor scraper and improve cleaning efficiency. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you have any further questions about the rubber squeegee on floor scrapers.